If your DLS25 network keeps lagging, your live match is not loading, or you keep getting disconnected, trust me, it's not just you, it's happening to a lot of people this season. But now you can see how smooth my live gameplay is because I've just used the 5 simple fixes that I'll share with you in this video. But before we even start saying anything here, the file you see in my phone now is a DLS25 internet fix pack. Inside it you will see all the detailed settings, fixes and tricks you can do to get your issues solved for your exact phone type. This means that if you either use a Samsung phone, an iPhone, an Infinix phone, a Xiaomi or Redmi phone, a TECNO phone, or any kind of device at all, you can totally know what would work for your own specific phone type to fix your DLS network problem and make your DLS live gameplay smooth again. I'll quickly show you where and how to download this internet fix pack, and then I'll immediately get on to showing you all 5 of the other general fixes that should work for every other phone you guys out there use to play DLS. So to download the file, it's very simple, but you need to make sure you pay very close attention so that you don't make any mistakes, because if you make any mistake, you will not be able to download the file, which indirectly means your gameplay will continue to lag, you will never enjoy the game, and you will continue to get your ass whooped in live DLS matches. So pay very close attention. The website you see on my phone now is where we're gonna download the internet fix pack from, and it's one of the many websites that have switched to the new traffic fraud protection policy, because just last year over 40% of all internet traffic were bots, literally robots. And the fact that there's way too many bots on the internet has created a scenario where so many websites out there and big tech companies are switching to using traffic protection methods that require internet users like you and me to do stuff that only real humans can do, so they can fight off bots, fight off fake traffic, and ensure that it's only real users that are on platforms. Because the adoption of AI has made computers way smarter than usual, and they can now complete the normal recaptcha that only humans used to do previously. So there's a new way of downloading on most websites, but there's no need to worry. It's really simple to do. It takes just 2 to 5 seconds and you'll be done. You have the DLS internet fix pack downloaded into your device. So I'll quickly do it here so that you're gonna see it and see exactly how you can download the file into your own device. Now, it's very important for you to know that even after you've clicked the link I'll give you, downloaded the file, and you have it in your device just like I do now in my own device, you should still come back to this video and learn what the other 5 common fixes are, because it's extremely important for you to know what you're doing in the game if you really want to reduce your lagging, improve your network issues, and win most of your opponents in live DLS matches. Now, when you click or visit the link I'll give you, it will bring you to this page just like it's showing here on my phone. All you have to do is just scroll down to the part where it's going to say begin download, but don't click the download button yet, because you need to understand how it works so that you make sure you do it right and get the file downloaded. So when you finally click that begin download button, what's going to happen is that they'll take you to another page where you'll be shown the simple thing that you're going to have to do in order to show that you're really a human. The page they will take you to will be different based on what part of the world you live in, but it will either look like this, where they ask you to use your SIM card that has real airtime in it to press confirm on some page that they're going to pop up for you, because bots can have real SIM cards with real airtime in it. Or even simpler, they will just take you to online tests like the one you see on my phone now, and they're going to ask you to answer a few simple questions that only real humans with a brain can answer. These 2 things won't take more than 2 to 5 seconds. So I'll just go ahead and do mine now and show you so you can see how everything is done. So I go ahead and click the begin download button, and you can see it brought me to this page here, and it says I should subscribe. So I'll just go ahead and click the confirm button, and what has happened is that they've sent me a success text message. A text message like this is what you must see to know that you've completed it, when it's a page that asks you to confirm using your SIM card. And when it's a page that just asks you to answer a few questions that only humans can answer, when you're done answering the questions, you just have to make sure you get to the end of the question. Make sure you do everything they tell you to do, and when you're done, just leave that page, go back to the download page, and when you go back there, you can see the button now says access resource, and when I click on that, you can see the file is now being downloaded into my device. I can open the file and I can start using the file. But please note, if you do not answer the questions well to the end, or if you do not click the subscribe and actually get the confirmation text message on your device to prove that you're a real human, when you go back to the page, it's gonna endlessly say waiting for completion, and it's gonna keep loading. So you want to make sure you just get this thing right and get this file. It's really gonna help you, because just like you see here, it's gonna keep loading and you will not be able to download the file. So just do it the right way, download the file, and just as I said, you will find device specific fixes for your specific phone type. And also, if you try and you figure out that it's not working for you, you're not able to download the file, one thing you can do is to send the link to a friend or family member that is in another location or another part of the world to help you download the file and send it to you. It's literally that simple, and it's literally that important. So make sure you send it to someone if it fails to download for you. So now what you have to do is click the link that's at the top of this video's description box below, or just copy out the link you see on the screen now. I'm gonna put it in the description box below. I'm gonna put it up on the screen now. You visit this link, and that link is gonna take you to the download page. Or if you're someone that does not know where the description box is, or you don't want to copy the link out, you can simply ask me in the comment section below and I will send you the link. So yes, now that you know that about the DLS25 internet fix pack, I will walk you through the general settings that should work for normal devices. You can either choose to click the link, go and download the file, then come back and finish watching this video, or you can go ahead and and learn what these general fixes that are not phone specific are, and then at the end of the video click to go and download the internet fix pack. You can choose how you want to do it. You can either download the file now and come back and finish the video, or you can wait till the end of the video then go and download the file. I'll let you choose what one you want to do, but one thing I'll ask you to do is to tap the like button on this video. Most DLS gamers don't speak about these things and they don't explain the way I take the time to explain here, so just leave me a like on this video, share this video, subscribe to the DLS Pro Zone if you like the way I always explain. Now that I'm sure you know all of that, and now that I'm sure you might have gone to download the DLS internet fix pack, I'll now go ahead and explain what the 5 common fixes you can try for other device types out there are. So without wasting any time at all, let's get into it immediately. For fix number 1, it is actually one of the most generic fixes you could try, and that fix is actually changing your DNS. If you notice the game takes forever to load or live matches won't connect, it might be your DNS, which is like the address book your phone uses to find DLS servers. Changing it can make your phone find DLS servers easier, and that way you get better connections, and in return you play a smoother game and you win more. So to do that, the first thing you have to do is go to the Play Store, search for the DNS changer app, open it, go inside of it and set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8, and then you set the second one to 8.8.4.4, then tap start and relaunch your game. Doing this should work for some devices out there and fix your internet for you, but when you try it and it does not work, then you're gonna need to try the next fix on the list, which is fix number 2. This one sounds simple, and yes, it truly is, but it works. If you're on mobile data and matches just keep failing or dropping in network performance, you just need to swipe down at the top of your phone settings, turn on the airplane mode, wait for like 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. This forces your internet service provider to reconnect to the strongest signal nearby, which can be super useful for live matches that just won't start. But even after trying this on some devices, you might actually see that your device is still proven stubborn, and all you have to do is try the next fix on the list, which is fix number 3. Over time, your DLS game will naturally collect junk files on your phone, and these junk files can actually mess up your performance. So to clear all that, you just have to go to the phone settings, scroll to where it says apps, find DLS, go into the storage and tap clear cache. You must make sure you do not clear the data, because it can wipe out your entire team, your career, and everything you've worked for so long. So please just clear the cache only, and do not say that I was the one that told you to clear your entire progress. But don't say that. Leave a like and let's keep going. Now, when clearing your cache doesn't work, the next thing you should try is the next fix on our list, and this is fix number 4. This one has helped me personally. Sometimes the problem isn't the game or your phone, it's actually your current connection type. If you're on Wi-Fi, you can switch to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, you can switch to Wi-Fi, then you can restart DLS and see if it loads up normally for you. From personal experience, mobile data works better because some Wi-Fi networks are either congested, restricted, throttled, and that's not good at all for smooth data transfer between you and your opponents during live DLS matches, because the servers need to communicate smoothly with each other. Now, doing this Wi-Fi/mobile data trick should actually work for most devices out there and make your gameplay better when you're in live matches, but when it doesn't work, you can try the next fix on the list, which is the last but not the least trick, which is fix number 5. No DLS player should sleep on this one. Lag and connection issues can 99% of the time be caused by graphic settings being too high for your device type. That is why I keep saying the whole device type thing. You need to know what is going to work for your specific phone type so that you can set it right, and this is one of the things that is majorly addressed inside the DLS25 internet fix pack that I showed you how to download at the beginning of this video. The file literally shows you what kinds of graphic settings will work best for your specific phone type. So just to remind you again, go download that file if you've not done that already. The link is on the screen again right now. You can pause the video, copy the link out, visit it, download the file, or you can click the link in the description box below, or like I said earlier, if you're one of the guys who do not know how to locate the description, you can simply type in the comment section below and ask me to send you the link. I'm gonna send you the link. Getting back to the graphic settings thing, all you have to do is set it the right way, and to do that, we just have to go into the DLS25 settings and set it up depending on what you want. I'll just go into my settings now and set mine so that you can see what it looks like. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna have to set the graphics quality to low or medium. We're gonna have to set the crowd effects to off. We're gonna have to set the frame rate to 60 FPS if you have a high-end device. In my case, I have a high-end Android device, but if you have a low-end Android device or just a normal device, you might want to turn it to 30 FPS because that's going to be optimal for you. That is why this thing works phone type by phone type, so you need to understand that and take control of your gameplay. The next thing we want to do is we want to turn the battery saver on. It's going to help your device, it's going to reduce stress. Next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that all the background apps that are open that might be taking internet from your phone, maybe you're streaming on Netflix, maybe you're streaming on YouTube, maybe you're streaming on Facebook, maybe you're just using something that's taking data, or you're downloading something at the moment, you might want to turn that stuff off because it might actually be harming your internet connection. So setting these things just the way I showed you will free up some space on the RAM of the phone you use to play DLS25, and this will keep your gameplay running as smooth as it can be during your live matches. But settings and fixing fixes might vary from device to device, from phone type to phone type. That is why you see people in the comments of these kind of videos about fixing DLS issues always saying that this method works for them, and you see another person say that the same exact method didn't work for him. So you want to figure out what works for your device type specifically, and you want to do just that. So understanding what to do for your specific device type is key. So once again, click the link in the video description, go and download the DLS internet fix pack. It's very important, it's very helpful, and it doesn't cost any real money at all. So what you just want to do is you just want to click, or you can copy out the link on the screen now, or you can ask me in the comment section. I'm gonna send it to you. Tap like, share. Hope this video helps you out. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you, what ones you're having issues with. I respond to everyone. I can make newer videos with new fixes when I discover new things. For now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications for more DLS25 tips, gameplays, hidden tricks, giveaways, and everything in between. I hope I beat you when I see you on the pitch. Let's go.